So we're gonna put some shoes or something on. It's been a massive downpour here and it's like flooded. So I just wanna So I'm more concerned really about the inside of my garage than really anything. Oh no. No, 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 no. Far out. Oh no. It's all flooded. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me right now. Far out. Look at it. No, it's absolutely... Please don't tell me that my toolboxes are wet. Oh my god. This is why, thank god, I've got... Look at it. Bloody hell. Oh no, my table saw. It's like this. So this is why, everyone, that I keep all my stuff off the ground except the push bikes, my welder, everything's off the ground. Look at this. Look at that. It's just everywhere. All on paint. I wonder if the bag's wet inside. Oh no, thank god the bag's not wet inside. I'll check that one as well. Nah, not wet. Ooh, so he dropped one. Yeah, not wet. So I only realised it was flooding when someone came in and said the whole front's flooded. So I'm gonna leave all that. So that's just gonna, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. They would have had to jump out of their car.
They did. That's why the lady was standing there. They jumped out of there.
So this is down the side path as well. So you can see it's tipped over the whiz bin. It's just all... Look at it all. Yeah, so it's pretty much, it's all going into the drain now. So this is a good reason why I keep everything off the ground in the garage. I mean, it's a once in a lifetime thing really, but still I can't really afford to have anything get wet.